After dinner, I planned on vacuuming and mopping my entire home, and thanks to my Narwal T10, that was not a problem at all. The Narwal is the world's first self-cleaning robot mop and vacuum. Yes, you heard that right. It's a self-cleaning robot mop. I don't think it gets much better than that. I wanted to show you guys a before and after vacuuming, and then a before and after of the mop heads as well. Here's the before of the bin before vacuuming. It sweeps so well with super strong suction. I was so surprised and grossed out by how much dirt this vacuum picked up. It was amazing that I didn't have to do all this work myself. Especially being as pregnant as I am, this was a weight off my shoulders. I mean, check out how much dirt this vacuum picked up. When the Narwal was done vacuuming, I went ahead and emptied the container and then filled the clean water tank up with water. You can see here on the right side the blue tank is for clean water and the left side the clear tank is for dirty or wastewater. Then you go ahead and pop the mop heads on, press the start button either on the Narwal machine or on the app itself, and it starts mopping your home for you, and it senses when it gets dirty, sends it back to the base station, and washes the mop heads for you. You guys, this is the most amazing thing I have ever used in my home. We are absolutely obsessed with it. The mop heads are pressed to the floor so it cleans stubborn stains easily. It has smart mapping so it doesn't cross its own path to prevent secondary contamination. Here's the mop heads after mopping my home before returning to the base station for washing, and here are the mop heads after getting washed. In the morning after I woke up, I went and checked the dirty water tank, and I could not believe what I saw. Between the base station and the Narwal app, this mop and vacuum 2-in-1 is extremely easy to manage. It's also super quiet. We usually run it at night before going to bed and don't even notice that it's running.